Be 2 weeks ready. Shelter Plan, Activity 24. Follow along on Toolkit, page 81.
Activity 24. Prepare a go bag. The goal is to assemble materials you'll need to quickly evacuate. If you must evacuate your home quickly, a go bag packed with minimal essential supplies can offer comfort. A go bag contains things that are personalized to your needs. If possible, each member of the household should have their own go bag. Think carefully about what you put into the bag, because you may have to carry it. The more stuff added, the heavier it will get. You likely won't be able to pack everything you need to survive away from home for 2 weeks. The go bag just contains the essentials. This activity assumes you're going to a community shelter or to the home of a family member or friend, where it's safe and where food, water, and toilet facilities are available. Go bag items. Checklist. Seasonal clothing for 2 or 3 days. Plan to wear only the footwear you have on when you evacuate to conserve go bag space. Note: clothing should be changed in your go bag on a seasonal basis. If it's cold weather season, you'll already be wearing long pants, a heavy shirt or sweater, and a coat, hat, and gloves that will go with you. Eyeglasses, contact lenses with solution and storage, hearing aids, and other essential medical assistive devices. Hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and personal hygiene wipes. Medications, prescription and over-the-counter, including a list with quantities, frequency of dispensing, and a note of all allergies. Important documents, including medical and contact information for each member of the household. Vehicle and life insurance policies, local and out-of-area contacts, passports, driver's licenses, banking information, and pet information like shelters and veterinarian. Cell phone and charger with cord, small electronics, laptop or tablet, and chargers. Favorite power bars and other small, portable, non-refrigerated snacks. ATM card and cash. Area map and map for designated evacuation destinations, like community shelters, homes of family and friends. Miscellaneous items including a flashlight, reading material, simple first aid supplies such as bandages, antibacterial spray, and ointment, travel-size personal toiletries, and a small sewing kit, such as the kind offered in hotels.